What's poppin', guys? It's Dynamite, and in today's tutorial I'll be demonstrating how to add chords to your Jersey Club tracks. Now I already made a little Jersey Club track here and I'll play it for you guys. Now the song I sampled is Crash by Ivy off of Ivy World 2. It's out now. Go stream it. Now I'll be using Internet Explorer off of my Electric X expansion pack. If I can find it. There it goes. Now let me just pull up a sound. I think I'm gonna go with Soulless Touch, maybe. Oh. No. Alright, Undead Sin. So I'm gonna play it and I'm gonna find the key of the song. Now one way to find the key of the song is like to play the main section. So in this case I'll just play the vocals with the little melody in the background. Now I'm gonna open up the piano roll and I'm gonna play it and I'm gonna click on each key and see which one fits the best. Let me turn up the velocity. And velocity stands for volume. Now already I can tell that it's C sharp, that's the key. But if it wasn't C sharp, I would just keep on going to each key and see which one that fits the best. So now that I know that's in C sharp, I'm gonna scale the piano roll to C sharp. So now I'm gonna set the scale for piano roll to C sharp, natural minor, and if you're looking for major, it's up here, minor is down here. So now that I set the key, the scale for C sharp minor, I'm gonna build a little chord progression off of it. Let me turn it up some more. Crash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills. Now, to tell which key to use off of the piano roll, each key is highlighted. So the ones in the darker tones are the ones you're not supposed to use. The ones that are kind of highlighted are the ones you're supposed to use. So as you can see, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, or you can put them anywhere or almost anywhere and it'll work. But if you were to put it on A sharp, it wouldn't fit too well. Sometimes it may work, but usually it's best to go with the ones that are highlighted, save you trouble. Now I'm gonna finish adding the notes to build the scale. Crash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these. As you can tell, the D sharp one didn't really fit with the G chord. Even though it's in the same key of C sharp, in that position, it didn't really work well. So you have to find another note that fits. Crash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, crash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Crash my. Now that I got a little chord, I'm gonna add maybe a piano just to see what that sounds like. Crash my wheels. Now I'm gonna copy the chords that we made on Electric X and just paste it onto Expand. Crash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Crash my. I'm gonna bring it down an octave, and to do so, on Windows it's Control down. Crash my wheels, swear that. Now I'm gonna delete the top notes. Crash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that
that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that crash my wheels so that I am out of crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I
Make sure you have the other tracks playing to make sure the notes you're adding fits with the overall track.
crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I am out crash my wheels so that I am out of crash my wheels so that I am out of crash my wheels so that I am out of crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a crash my wheels so that I am out of crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket.
Another way of making chords is using MIDIs. Now, earlier within the year, I dropped a MIDI kit. You Make Me Look Bad MIDI kit, and I already have chords built in. So what you can do is drag and drop the chords onto your preferred VST or one shot and adjust it to the scale of the track, the key. So in this case, it's a C sharp.
Crash my wheels.
So I'm gonna mute this and I'll add the one we use from the You Make Me Look Bad MIDI kit.
Crash my wheels. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit.
See what this one sounds like.
Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I am crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so
Now, this one fits. I like this one, but I wanna turn it into ARP, and to do so, just hit Control A on Windows. Alt A, and then turn it into ARP, whatever you call this word.
crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit.
Let's see what this sounds like with the FL piano, the FL keys.
Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make
Let me put a flux. Seeing what works best.
pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Crash my wheels so that I am out of crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I am crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills so that I'ma make a profit. Crash my wheels so that I am out of pocket. Crash Flash my wheels, swear that I am out. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Flash my Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of. Flash my wheels, swear that I. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Flash my wheels, swear that I am out of pocket. Stack these bills, swear that I'ma make a profit. Flash my.
Now I added some chords, some keys, and a little synth. Now, that's basically how you do it. It's really simple. You find the key of the sample if you're making an original. Find the key you want to use. Then build some chords, set the scale to piano roll, and add the keys, and go crazy. Now, I'm gonna let you guys add on to this. I'll put it in the description of the video. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, this short little tutorial. Leave a comment below of what you thought of today's tutorial. See you guys in the next one.